Welcome back to the LLM Coding Challenge. This time, the challenge is harder. Let us see how each model handles it. The task: write a function that wraps each character in an ASCII-art box. Same rules. One shot, no follow-ups. First up, Opus. Opus writes a compact 4-line function using join with generator expressions. Clean code with examples for both hi and hello. No docstring though. Next, Sonnet. Interestingly, Sonnet wrote the code to a file, but only shows a summary in the output. The function logic is explained, but viewers cannot see the actual implementation. Finally, Haiku. Haiku shows the full code with a docstring, empty string handling, and detailed explanation. The most complete response of the three, with examples for hi and hello. Time to score. 8 criteria this round. Opus scores 6 out of 8. Missing empty string handling and a docstring. Sonnet scores 5. The code was hidden, so we cannot evaluate clean code either. Haiku takes it with a perfect 8 out of 8. The smallest model wins this round. Subscribe to see the next challenge.